Talking about inspiration, I have three main inspirations in my life, and I'll be quick about it. As everybody, mother has been an inspiration, but not because the way the things have happened, raised and stuff like that, which is very common, that she invested so much into me and all, but because of the kind of lady I saw her to be for her generation. So she passed away 2 years back, and at that point of time, she was around 78 years old. So you can calculate the number of years generation where she would have been. In those generations, education for girl was of nil. Learning for girl was only about kitchen utensils and how to handle a house. And speaking about girls was only as much as was needed. Right? And politics, economics, so it was next thing for them. But for her, she did her double MA in that generation with 4 kids in her hand. Like, I handle 2 with a maid, and I'm like, I can't do anything else, right? And I'm like, I'm done with this. So she did her double MA. She did a course in homeopathy, and she established a clinic for herself, which obviously was thrown away by the family, saying that, you can't be working when you have kids in the house and stuff like that, because at that time women were not considered to be doing anything else. When it came to learning, I still remember giving her an iPad at the age of 72, where she had never had a touch phone and stuff like that. And then she was like, okay, teach it to me. She learned it. She not only learned it, she was on all social media handles. I had to block her from most of mine. And she used to write about economics, politics, and have discussions with people, men, I would say, who were into politics and stuff like that. And she would have hardcore discussions with them about all of these topics on Facebook, on Twitter, I don't know where all. And I had to literally stop doing this now. So whatever came her way, she was open to learning without having a barrier of what and how much can I learn. The third thing which I learned from her was, it doesn't matter what others are doing to you. She was one of those who, she went through absolute hardships in her life, not having very good relationships in the house and all of that, but still she was like, how does it make a difference to me? I can do what I can do. If I do the same thing what they are doing to me, how am I different from them? And that was something which I'm still trying to incorporate, and it's very tough for me. I shout on the top of my voice when somebody is doing something to me. This was the first inspiration. The second inspiration was a small girl. I was doing NSS, National Social Scheme, and this girl used to walk from 7-8 kilometers. She was around 10-11 years old. She used to walk from 7-8 kilometers to take this NSS because she could complete her studies there, right? And whenever I asked her, she was like, Didi, I don't want to be what my rest of the village is. First, having a girl, such a dream was difficult, and then coming to this place for this particular thing was different. And when she came first, she actually made a thing from her hand and she got it for me, because she was like, what you have done to me, probably nobody will ever do in life. So that was an inspiration for me, that if she's not ready to give up, why should I give up on things in life? And the last person is sitting here, wo red card ye gaane ke baad, the last person is sitting here because of a song which we both like. I'll just take 2 minutes to sing, and probably it will tell you why I like him, why he inspires me in this. It's a famous song you all would have heard, Kisi ki muskurahaton pe ho nisar. One of his favorites and mine too. Kisi ki muskurahaton pe ho nisar, kisi ka dard mil sake to le udhar, kisi ke waaste ho tere dil mein pyar, जीना इसी का नाम है, माना अपनी जेब से गरीब है, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर है, मिटे जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी, जले बहार के लिए वो जिंदगी, किसी को हो न हो हमें है एतबार, जीना इसी का नाम है, रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हमी से नाम प्यार का, कि मर के भी किसी को याद आएंगे, किसी के आंसुओं में मुस्कुराएंगे, कहेगा फूल हर कली से बार बार, जीना इसी का नाम है. This is the inspiration which he has kept and has